gonna do a little show of my, what I call my home truck. I've been working on. I've been getting it fixed up a little bit at a time. I had this bumper made for it by Foul Creations. He made some from scratch. He does an excellent job. Puts the lights in there for you. Got a Warren 12,000 Xeon. I got LED front lights, LED lights on the inside, LED reverse lights. Redid all the lights on them. It's got a rough country leveling kit on it with Nito trail grapplers, 295 70 18s. It's got new shocks front and back. Oh, I've done other things to it. It's turning out pretty good. Been a good truck so far. Really like the bumper. The guy does an excellent job on that.